In this facility, we strive to achieve hands-free farming. This line behind me does everything from seeding to harvesting and cleaning of the trays, making sure that it's ready for the next batch. So Avisomo is a vertical farming company, and we deliver climate chambers where we control every aspect of plant growth, and we provide the plants with what they need when they need it. Even before we got the actual agreement to build the facility, we started working with TTA-ISO to make sure that we could integrate our grow system with the full automation of a facility like this.
Our definition of fully automated is a farm where no human hands touch the produce from a seed is sown until the lettuce is packaged and ready to ship to the stores. There are two key challenges that we wanted to address with applying this level of automation to our facility. First, being able to reduce labor costs, especially in a country that is as expensive as Norway. The second point to address is that if you have less humans in a farm, you will have less bacteria and less germs. So this is an enabling factor when it comes to growing lettuce that is super clean, and that enables a very long, up to 8-week shelf life product.
I think the most difficult part of this project has been to find a good integration between the growth system that we have and the existing horticulture machinery that already exists in the market. TTA-ISO, they really helped us solve these challenges by knowing what type of horticulture machines that exist out there and knowing the metrics of our farm, and then just solving the challenges by developing the solution that is behind me. And they led that innovation from the very beginning all the way through the design phase to now a finished project.
This is just a small first experiment, but we are sure, and we see that already, that with this level of automation, we can build indoor farms at scale at the right place in the supply chain without needing any agronomy competence on site. And that opens doors to food production that we have never seen before.